I'm teaching you this. This is basic and elementary, but a lot of people does not know this storyline that we need to understand that the old covenant is not for us. And somehow, I could say with that, yung mahaba kong sinabi, in context, this covenant that Jesus Christ did for us, I could say for us and for the whole world, this is not new for us. This is the first covenant na pinasok natin. This is the only covenant na pinasok. Ako, ito lang only covenant. Pinipilit kong pumasok sa old noon. Hindi naman pala ako kasama sa old. So when I realized that what Christ has done at the cross, the covenant He made between God, confirming with His blood, is the first covenant. Kasi minsan kung bakit may new, kasi may old, right? But pwede rin ipasok to as a new covenant because dito siya nakilala, new covenant. And they've been mentioning this. New covenant, new covenant, new covenant, new covenant. Because merong old. Regardless, kung wala kahit walang old, you can still call it as new. Because it's new. Fresh, bagong covenant na pwede natin pasukan para sa lahat. Are you happy? You are included to the word whosoever believes. That's the beauty of the new covenant. Walang exclusivity. Hindi siya exclusive sa mga certain group and ethnic society, but includes everyone who will believe. Palakpakan natin ng Lord. Hallelujah!